guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and it's on the super simple look that I've been loving lately, and you guys have been asking for a tutorial, so I thought I'd film it. So it's been a long time since I've done one of these, so bear with me. So the very first thing I'm going to do is put my hair back. You guys remember these cute little things from Lisa? I still have mine. I love them. Still going strong. And I have a ton of new growth that's driving me crazy. It's not breakage, it's new growth, but bear with me. It's driving me insane. So, all right. The very first thing I'm going to start off with is our Active Hydration Serum. And this will increase your moisture by 200%. It's oil-free. It's great for all skin types. I have oily skin, as you guys know. It comes with a dropper. I dropped mine and it broke, so it does break, be careful. But I barely have like any left, so I need to pour it out into my hand. I can get just enough out. Please don't tell me that is it. About a minute later, I'm seriously out. Oh my goodness. So anyways, you just apply this to your skin after you wash it, and it's amazing. It gives you such a beautiful glow. You can wear it on its own. I love it underneath makeup. This is like my primer, and it just, I don't know, it's so hard to explain because it's one of those products where I was like, oh, it's probably gonna be like, okay. And then the day I did not use it under my makeup, I was seriously like, wow, my makeup looks so much different. Like, I have to use this stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my RNF brush that's specifically made for the Radiant Defense. And it's so cool because it's like a little stand, so you could like put it on your counter. So, and if you don't have this brush, you can also use like this Sigma angled kabuki. This one's good too, but yeah, this is really good and it's dense, so the product doesn't go in between the bristles. So I'm using the color Shell, and I just put some on my brush for starters, and then I just dab it all over my skin. And I'm using the color Shell. I'll probably get beige next time, but I think their colors, I know it only comes in 6 colors, but honestly, like, it's not a huge, I don't want to say like, oh, if you go too light, like it's too light. I mean, they're really like workable, or maybe that's not the word, but as you can see, I do have some color because I use the self tanner and stuff like that, and the Shell still works. By the time I put my bronzer on and all that, I'm good. So see, this is like one coat, and it's really pretty. It's, I don't know, it's so hard to explain, especially because it's not a foundation. I just think it gives a really pretty finish. And then, if you just want to put this on, set it really quick, and go out the door, you totally can. So I'm going to add just a little bit more so you guys can see that it's buildable. What I do is I kind of dab it. I don't do like strokes, if you get what I'm saying. I just kind of dab it because I don't like brush streaks anyways when I apply my foundation. So I just kind of go like this. And it's super simple. And there's like no product on the brush. That's what I love. So now I'm gonna set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I am using the poof that it comes with. I just set everything I mean, you can use a brush, but I think Puff's my favorite. And I'm sorry about the lighting. I am filming on my iPhone. And honestly, I don't know where I put my camera. But eventually I probably will get another one or something. But in the meantime, that's why my lighting is not the best and all that. So I do apologize. Okay. So on the inner corners, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is just about out too. Oh my goodness, I have to sneeze. And then I also use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. And I just blend it out with my finger. Then I'm going to set under my eyes, and I'm going to also use this to contour the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I use, okay, I don't know how the names go. I can't tell if you read it this way or read it that way. So I use this shade right here, and I'm just using this little Real Techniques brush. Oh man, need to sneeze. And then I'm going to contour and kind of bronze at the same time. And I'm using the Sigma Large Powder, the F20. So I start off with this color, but then I also dab it in that color. And I will contour my cheeks. My goodness. I feel so weird doing this. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I was gonna do this again. Honestly, but it's coming back. Okay. Then I kind of do my jawline. And then the sides of my nose. Okay. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Bronzer in Highlight 01. And I'm just using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter brush. And I will highlight top of my cheekbones, my temples, my nose, up my nose, my lip, and my chin. Then I put a little bit more on my brush because you'll see what I do with it after. So, as you guys know, the blush that I'm loving is the Tarte's Party blush. So I'm going to take my Sigma Large Angled Contour Brush. I forgot all the numbers, like it's been a long time. So I just apply this to the apples of my cheeks, like that. Then I take my large fluffy brush, the large powder, the F30 by Sigma, and the NYX Photogenic Airbrush Powder, and I'm going to Target right after this to get some more, because that's all I got. I tap this forever. So what I do is I go like that, and I just set my face, and it'll take away your shine. It will kind of give you like that airbrushed finish. And honestly, like I haven't been using Fix Plus and setting sprays as much. Here and there I will, but not too much lately. Then I take my tapered angled brush, and I just put a little more highlight on, just because I feel like this doesn't blend your makeup, but maybe just a little bit. That's why I don't like swipe it all over like I was talking about. I just kind of dab it, and it just kind of blends it just enough. So I'm going to do my brows really quick using the NYX NYX, I forgot how I'm supposed to say it. I'm using the eyebrow pencil in taupe. So first I brush my brows out. This is not like too exciting, but I got this tip from Melissa Schleicher, Carrie's makeup artist, and I've been kind of rolling with it. And she mentioned that she lines the bottom and the top with liner, and then, oh, I just realized I'm like blinding you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, maybe I have to do it like this. Okay. She says she lines the top and the bottom with liner, and then she fills the middle in with powder. And ever since I read it, I've been doing that, and I really love it. So this isn't too exciting, but let's show you really quick. Okay, and then I take the NYX eyebrow cake powder and an angled brush, and I use this shade right here, the darker one, and I just fill in the middle, and I kind of bring it to like the front, so it kind of gives you that blended out look. Like that. Okay. And then I just brush them out. Okay, so for my eye look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. And it's so simple, you guys. I just take the shade Heaven, and I'm using, oh my gosh, my number is even more off this. This is a MAC, it's just a large shadow brush. And I will apply this all over, under the brows and all over my lid. Super, super simple. Sometimes, not all the time, I'll go in with Cashmere Bunny, and I'm using the Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush. And then sometimes I'll just kind of put it in my crease. Not every time, but probably 50% of the time. Then I know this is weird, but I'm using a lip brush. You can use the angled brush, but I don't know. I feel like this gets like right into like my lashes and all that, but I take this little lip brush, this is a Smashbox one, and I go into Sexpresso, and oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to bring my mirror closer, and I just sweep it right like where you would put your liner. And the goal is to kind of give it like a blended look. So you don't want it to be like perfect. And I do it to the other one. And even if I'm doing like a no makeup look, with like barely anything on, I will still kind of do this. Kind of like, I don't want to say like it widens your eye, but I can't like not do this even if I don't have like makeup on. I think it gives you like just enough of a oomph, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's all I do. Okay, I don't blend, nothing, super easy. Curl my lashes, and this is, I don't even know where I got this curler. I think I got it from Ulta or somewhere. So I'm going to give them a quick curl, but I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise in Black by L'Oreal. And as you guys know, I don't use, oh gosh, policies anymore, since I use the lash serum. I feel like I'm doing like a horrible job right now. Gosh. Just bear with me. So I'm just doing 2 coats of mascara on my lashes. And this stuff is so good, you guys. I love this mascara. It lengthens, it separates. Sorry. It like does everything a mascara needs to do. Then I apply it to my bottom lashes, of course. Last step, lips. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury liner in Pillow Talk. And you guys know I overlined just a little. As you guys know, like I'll use MAC Oak, Essence in the Nude. I mean, I've done Natural Mauve by Lancome. So many options with this MAC lipstick. This is Aloof that I showed you guys the other day. And I'm gonna use my finger. Don't judge me. And it's so pretty. I just love this color. Such a great everyday pinky nude, good stuff. So that is all I do. And I just gotta go do my hair now and change and go to Target. But I did want to mention really quick, now that I remembered, I think I have some samples of the Active Hydration Serum. Let me go see, hang on, guys. So I do have 5 samples of the Active Hydration Serum, and I'm more than happy to mail these out. I only have 5 though, so if you email me, if it's been something that you've been like interested in, I have these laying around. I will mail these to you, but I only have 5, and I'm sorry. I wish I had more, but my email will be down below, so just send me a message if you'd like to try it. And I hope you like this super, super simple look. It's just a great like everyday makeup look. It lets your lashes stand out, and it's just been my go-to. It takes me 10 minutes, if that. Of course, today was longer, but I just love it. So now I'm just gonna go finish doing my hair and change, and off to Target I go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready with me, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and have a blessed day. All right, talk soon. Bye.